Birds can fly. Standard 2, my English book 2. Today we are going to learn an amazing poem. The name of the poem is Birds Can Fly. Birds can fly, birds can fly. Birds can fly, birds can fly. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump. Very, very high and I can jump too. Very, very high and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim. Deep in the water and I can swim too. Deep in the water and I can swim too. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk. On the ground and I can walk too. On the ground and I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run. Horses can run, horses can run. In the forest and I can run too. In the forest and I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop. On the grass and I can hop too. On the grass and I can hop too. Birds can fly, birds can fly. Birds can fly, birds can fly. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Let's learn action words from this poem. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Run, R-U-N, run. Hop, H-O-P, hop. Subscribe Learning Funda. Thank you for watching.